Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Megamenu on your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify online store looks like a premium design or premium store, and also it will be user friendly and SEO friendly, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you because you don't have to hire any developer, you don't have to know any coding skill, even you don't have to use any apps. So I hope if you watch this full video, then you will get the 100% free benefit that is compulsory for your Shopify online store, even to get the success or get customers. Okay, first of all I want to show you the result, then I will describe everything how you actually set up it for free. So you can see I have created a Shopify gardening store where mostly sells gardening related product, you see. And the good news is that it's built with free theme, horizon theme. But in this tutorials we are going to learn how we can do this with Dawn theme, or how we can set up it on Dawn theme. So you see, here is the design of Shopify Megamenu. You see, it's called multi-level Megamenu or navigation, and it's also called the Megamenu with image. So you can see, and I have set up it with transparent background so that if you use any video animation or video slider or banner in full screen on the home page, so that it looks so amazing. And you can see if I scroll down, the header color has been changed and by default it's transparent. Okay, so here you see the result, and also here is the, let me show you the setting process or the customization options so that you can know all the details of this Megamenu. So I'm going to my customer section, and you can see here is the admin panel of this store, and I have clicked on the online store, then click on the theme edit or edit theme. Okay, in the theme edit or edit theme section you can see here is the option name Megamenu under the header section, and when you click on this one, then you can see there have all the option for this Megamenu. You cannot imagine how much or how maximum option I have created in here. For example, I have created the logo for transparent header, also the fixed header, and also if you don't use any logo, then fallback tags, that is very important for SEO. And here the option to select menu and search option, we can add search option or remove search option from here, you see. Also the search placeholder, popular hints, account icon, you see here is the account icon, layout navigation in center, navigation height, sticky height, max width, font size, mobile back point, also height header. Or scrolling down we can add this feature in here, enable transparent header on home page. So I hope you understand the maximize feature of this Megamenu. Here is the color for transparent header, transparent header opacity, transparent state text color, color for scrolled and others pages, because in others pages we don't use any transparent header or sticky header, that's why I have added this option. And here is the social media link. So I hope you understand by default feature of this Megamenu. Also you will get the individual option for all the Megamenu level, you see. For example, if I click on here, you can see the column, 5 column in here. Here is the 5 column, here is the 4 column, here is the 4 column, show view all button, images for each column, you see. And now your question is that how you can set up this mega menu on your Shopify store. So now the question is that how you can set up it on your Shopify store. First of all, you have to copy this video link and send me message with this video link by WhatsApp that I need this mega menu ready code, then I will share the code with you. Okay, this is very simple step. Just send me message and get the ready code snippet. When you get the ready code snippet, then your step is to set up the navigation or the mega menu on your Shopify store. So you can see here I have already made a demo store for these tutorials, and here you can see here's the latest Dawn theme, and I want to set up the mega menu on here because by default you never get any ready mega menu option on any free Shopify theme, and that is very important for you to use this ready code snippet from me because I have developed it from my coding experience, and I'm working as a Shopify developer. So I'm going to click on the edit theme and open it on a new tab because I want to describe with this interface also. So if I click on the header section, you see there is no mega menu option in here, and we want to do this. So how we can do this? Very simple. When you get the ready code snippet from me, just go there, admin panel, online store, in this three dot icon, click on the edit code, and simply now here's the magic. It's called magic. You'll find the ready code snippet. I'll share this file with you, and simply open the section folder. Okay, and drag and drop this file. You don't have to do anything. So it's done. Drag and drop. Now we're going to reload in here to find is there mega menu option available on the Dawn theme. So reload, and click on add section, and you see Megamenu Pro. Very simple. Just select this one. As you are using Megamenu Pro, you don't have to use the header anymore because we replace this header with Megamenu Pro. Now you have to set up your Megamenu from here. First of all, you have to start working from here. Okay, not here. You have to click on the Megamenu Pro and start working from here. Also, you have to remove the announcement bar. Very simple. Okay, and your Megamenu already in here available, you see. But now your question is that how we can set up the images. Okay, to do this, first of all we have to find out the multi-level menu setup system, how we can edit. So first I'm going to select the logo. You see, if I don't use any logo, then here show the store name. You see, no logo in here by default, so we are going to skip the logo for now, and we have to set up the multi-level menu. Here is the fashion, and if I click on here, for example, shop by garden, shop by garden, for shop by garden picture, shop by garden, and now we're going to look at our mega menu setup. So click on the content, menus, and main menu, and also we are going to in here of this gardening website. It's very important to watch everything very carefully. We're going to the content, menus, and mega menu. You see, we have added a menu that's named by garden type. By garden type, you see, and we have added the same text in here. We have added the same text in here, top level link, and must match exactly cache sensitive. So you must have to add everything very similar. So here, if we check in fashion, and you see here is the fashion, we have to add this text fashion, and we're going to add a mega menu item name fashion. Okay, when we add just fashion, you can see it has been changed. Fashion has been changed, and there we can see 3 column because we have added 3 column in here. If we add 4 column, for example, accessories and others, like we're going to select for example all category. Okay, click on the save. So now we have 4 column, and now here's the time to set up the image for every column. So click on the select, and we are going to try set up for 4 column. So let's start this one. We can add individual title for this also, dresses, and select this one. You see, yes, and we can change the column title, and finally add the column 4. Now let's see. You see, here's the 4 image. 4 image. In the same way, we can change the text from here. For example, dresses, we're going to change the column beige. This is drummy. Just let me show you. This is drummy. This is drummy. You see, this is drummy, and the category will show dynamically. Dresses. This is drummy. We can change it, and also we can change the color. So I hope you understand how to set up this image. In the same way, if you want to learn how to set up the shop by like this way, then you can see the menu setup, shop, and within every sub menu we have to add others drop down menu for under the sub menu. You see, looks very carefully this graph, then you can understand very well how to set up the mega menu. So then we have to click on the save and going to reload. We're going to reload again. We have to wait a little bit time to set as a default store to get the result. We have to wait. Sometimes Shopify take time to show the update result for cookies. You see, wow, it looks so good and professional. If we click, yes, everything working fine. So I hope you understand how to add Megamenu on Shopify Dawn Theme and how to set up it based on your requirement. You must have to understand this graph, then you can do this easily. But after watching this video, if you feel that you cannot do this by yourself, then you can contact with me. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.